Many people are deeply interested and passionate about cryptocurrencies and closely follow digital assets. Although there are still many unanswered questions about crypto, various blockchains are striving to yield mind blowing returns. On this premise, Cardano ADA is bent on reaching the peak, but it has been bedeviled by many obstacles. So, is the coin worth waiting for? The current situation of cryptocurrencies is not unfamiliar. Seasoned investors and stakeholders have experienced it over and over again, and they understand the pattern of events. So, when they tell a new crypto entrant to wait for the long term and diversify his or her portfolio, they are not being sarcastic or deceptive. Cathie Wood's flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, has nearly lost half of its value over the previous year, as its aggressive bets on hot companies from Coinbase to round Robin and Tesla have gone down the drain amid a bear market in tech stocks. Surprisingly, the fervent Wall Street stock picker has not lost her luster nor her brazen bullishness. A year ago, she had assumed her firm would deliver annualized returns of 15%, but the performance was poor. However, in the realm of Wall Street, Cathie Wood is an unusual creature. Not only is she a rare female portfolio manager, but she was also an outlier in her nearly boundless optimism about the riskiest investments on the market, including cryptocurrency and Tesla. Making predictions far ahead of reality has earned her a reputation among retail investors and a mascot for the buy the effing dip in an industry that survives on guarantees about the future. Wood's brand was more like a price prediction addict. Despite all the drawbacks, Wood tends to plow right through any adversity, as though she is fighting a righteous battle. Wood's collapse gave her the front seat in the bear market, but she remains unfazed. 2009 was a sensitive year for the crypto sector since it altered the course of the fintech space, and this is basically because this year was synonymous with the early cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Fast forward to 2015, the year was dedicated to Ethereum and Cardano ADA, a blockchain that has been rigorous in its growth. According to the World Economic Forum, the Cardano network is one of the most scalable systems. When Bitcoin and Ethereum started to gain popularity, a lot of people began to invest in them. They were making money, and it seems like the easy flow of money will never end. But those days are long gone, and now investors are more careful with their investments. Cardano ADA suffered a blow during the crypto crash in May of 2022, and according to many crypto specialists, the cryptocurrency is dead. But a Cathie Wood kind of investor will keep their hopes up. Recently, Finder's panel of experts made some price predictions for Cardano ADA. A culture of well-planned and executed upgrades creates confidence in Cardano. It may develop an assured brand status and do well during turbulent pan-market conditions, Paul Levy, a senior lecturer at the University of Brighton, proposed. Some of the panelists weighed the progress of the Cardano ecosystem and found it impressive. As the blockchain seems to be ready for great achievements in the coming months, this may pose as a positive but moderate impact on the ADA coin price, especially as it continues to win the hearts of many in the industry. CEO Justin Hartzman of CoinSmart attested that ADA's September gains were the results of the Vassal upgrade and its listing on Robinhood. This justifies the fact that the Cardano upgrades were not futile. The Vassal hard fork had made Cardano smart contracts more scalable and accessible. This should encourage more developers to code on the protocol and boost usability, he had said. With this, it is best to say that the Vassal upgrade was not a failure, even though many investors have argued about it. Also, emphasizing ADA's total value lock, Radon O, the founder of Seasonal Tokens, said, Cardano will maintain its value as Ethereum's gas fees remain high. The merge won't affect the Ethereum gas fees, so Cardano will continue to be an attractive alternative. He believes that ADA's TVL will be $120 million within 12 months. Focusing on DeFi, another expert proposed that the TVL could go as high as $12 billion. He also considered the success of the Vassal hard fork and that the US inflation rate would soon return to a limited level. These bullish predictions offer little to no change in the stringent perspectives of negative investors. The Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has recently hammered the fact that crypto has never failed, but people did. In his latest YouTube video, Hoskinson spoke at length about the recent raging case in crypto, which is the FTX insolvency. He said that crypto might see tougher laws in the future after the FTX incident. When people who don't know what they are doing get in a position of power, such a catastrophic consequence is what can be expected, he said. According to him, there could be a chance that the fallout will somehow affect legislation, and he hoped it might have a positive effect. But there is an alternative, and members of the crypto industry will have to live with it and find ways to deal with it. Hoskinson elaborated on the fact that despite FTX's push for lobbying through relationships with politicians, things didn't work out the way they should, and as a result, lawmakers can tighten regulatory scrutiny. The FTX case can damage the industry or possibly the entire American industry. Crypto seems to be the recipient of every trouble, and even networks, streaming with value and vast expectations like Cardano, are not spared. As much as we like to believe in the principles of cryptocurrency, this has everything to do with people putting their money in centralized exchanges and organizations entrusting centralized businesses to do something on their behalf. That's the very industry that we are trying to get rid of in the cryptocurrency space, he had added. The Cardano creator blamed the financial relationship of FTX for the bankruptcy as he stressed the fact that crypto does not get a bailout. Nonetheless, Hoskinson held on to the popular opinion that the best days of the crypto industry are yet to come, and unlike Mt. Gox, Celsius, or Luna, FTX could change the pattern of how cryptocurrencies work in America. He added that Cardano will soon announce the Edinburgh Decentralization Index to measure the decentralization of the exchange of cryptocurrencies. He also suggested honest and better standards for exchanges, DeFi, and smart contracts. Charles Hoskinson is vouching for Cardano in the same that Cathie Wood has repeatedly done. Hoskinson's unfazed bullishness has prompted him to instruct people to see crypto for their use, utility, and adoption, and not just as a get-rich-quick propellant. This idea looks deceptive, yet accurate. Moving ahead, in a recent tweet, Charles Hoskinson highlighted that the short-term events won't be stopping the revolution. Instead, blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are transforming the world. He tweeted on November 9th, "Today is Wednesday. There will be another Wednesday and another. Build, grow, and innovate. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are changing the world." The Cardano chief added a gif of a honey badger that is trying to attack a king cobra to this tweet. This tweet surfaced amid the agony of the crypto market is going through because of the FTX drama. This could imply that no matter what happens in the crypto sector, one should continue to grow, build, and innovate, or that crypto could be a young industry, but is set to achieve great feats. While Bitcoin price is stuck lately, there is a good thing to expect from it. It's less of a wild ride. After hovering at the 19,000 level for more than a month, Bitcoin's volatility is now lower than the Nasdaq and S&P 500. It has fallen enough just to align with the Nasdaq's volatility. Well, it's welcome news for many longtime crypto investors who hope that a slowdown of the crypto notorious price swings could bring less fear to potential new investors. Experts conclude that the area around $19,000 will likely continue to be a support for the Bitcoin price. We cannot stop the overflowing speculations, but there is no harm in watching how they come to fruition. So the overall question is there still hope for Cardano? Interestingly, blockchain technology has come a long way in barely more than a decade. Once regarded as an internet oddity, its wide variety of services such as enterprise solutions, DeFi, and NFTs are largely in the mainstream awareness. The promise of blockchain technology and its solutions are almost unlimited in ways it will transform the world. This is the area of Cardano's strengths. As an expedient factor, proudly vouching for its rise, perhaps this is why Charles Hoskinson has remained unperturbed. So, with the importance of the blockchain industry going up, Cardano is about to make a great impact in the world of cryptocurrency. Something has to be Cardano's secret weapon in this crazy world that is the cryptocurrency space. And with time, this could morph to become the reason why Cardano ADA will be impossible to buy. It might not be the easy go-to option though, as it is right now. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let's have them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.